Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to buy Google One storage. Need more storage for your Google account? Google One offers extra storage for your Google Drive, Gmail and Google Photos. Now in this video I'll show you how to buy Google One storage and make the most of your additional space. Just follow these few simple steps. The first step is to open Google One. Now on your phone just go to the Google One app, or if you're using your computer, visit one.google.com on your browser. Just search for one.google.com. Once the website appears, click on it and sign up using your Google account's credentials. As you can see, I'm already logged in here. Now the second step is to choose a plan. On the home page you'll see different, click on storage here next to the cloud icon and click on get more storage. Now here you're gonna see three plans. You can choose payments for monthly payments or annual payments. Now there is there is four plan. The free plan which is free and gives you 50 gigabytes. The basic plan gives you 100 gigabytes and the premium gives you 2 terabytes, and you can also get the AI premium which also gives you 2 terabytes plus the Gemini AI features. Now the premium plans offer also extra benefits like VPN, AI tools and family sharing. Now tap on get discount as you can see here, or choose plan to pick the one that fits your needs. Third step is to choose for monthly or annually. Now after you do that, enter your payments and payments informations. Now click on agree and you can enter your credit card number, etc. You can add a credit card or debit card. After that, review the terms and tap confirm purchase. The fourth and final step is to enjoy your new storage. Once purchased, the extra storage will automatically be added to your Google One Drive, Gmail and Google Photos. You can access your new storage limit in Google One anytime. Now if you have family members, you can share your Google One storage with up to 5 people. And also Google One offers discounts on Google products and premium supports. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how easy it is to buy Google One storage. Choose a plan, enter payment details and enjoy more storage for your Google apps. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you like this video or found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, see you again in the next tutorial.